WILA is a blacksmith which was originally formed in 1932, and since the early 90s we focused on press brake productivity. And since then we are a world leader in creating press brake tools and press brake tool holders for the complete world. WILA has two factories in Lochem, one is the tool and one is the tool holder, and we are now at the tool holder where we make press brake tool holders. This plant is so special because we can make 1 meter to 6 meter parts in a single piece flow through our production site. The challenge is that we have to do very accurate milling, and we do this by changing machine tables to the machine and bringing them back to the loading station. This all has to be done within an accuracy of 0.02 millimeters. So that's what was the big challenge for this project and what is also the big challenge of this production line. The Güdel gantry cells is a basically very big pick and place unit for us, which brings the machine tables from the loading station to the machine and back and forward.
This project is very special because it's a rather complex task which is covered by only one FP-7 gantry system. The challenges of this project is the safety of the people on one side and the accessibility of the cell on the other side. The advantage of this FP-7 solution is that it's a very rigid and stiff system capable of lifting 3 tons. You have 6 machines in line, very compact with only one gantry system over it.
So where we used to work with 1 operator on 1 machine, we have now 2 operators working on 6 machines. Before we had this automation, we just had milling machines which were manually operated. The milling machine has vices and the operator had to bring the product into the vices of the machine, clamp the product, and a lot of operation time was lost for all these operations. We checked for several solutions compared to a gantry, but the gantry had the best floor space, so it was quite compact, and it kept us open for operators still to go to the machine while the cell is still running, which is very important with our processes. Because we have been investing for many years in automations, there's a lot of trust from our team that it will bring more jobs, because we have been growing together with the automations, together with our team. We are always planning new investments for automations. We're constantly looking in our factories, what can we do to be more productive in the future? And we believe if we don't do that, we will stay behind as a company. So it's of vital importance for us to do this. The experiences we have with the Güdel gantry are very positive. It's a reliable production companion and it hardly ever lets us down.